Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1987 Alfa Romeo Spider Graduate. It's in nice shape inside and out. It's the fuel-injected inline 4-cylinder. Starts right up every time. Runs and drives nicely. The top, I don't believe it's original, but it's in very nice shape. You can see through the back window really well. It may be an older replacement top that was just taken nice care of. It's nice down the sides. It does seem to be an older respray. Overall, cleans up very nicely, I would say. There are a couple little chips and spots, and it's a little dinged around the logo there. Inside, the seats and door cards are in nice shape. The dash does have a couple cracks, and that's why it has a pad. Wood aftermarket wheel is kind of cool. Here's the driver's door card. Not really any crazy wear on either seat. A little storage in the back. Glove box radio. All your center stack there. Overall, just a super fun little car for a great price. So there you have it, our 1987 Alfa Romeo Spider.